Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. While I continue with this coconut oil, let's go on. This is the one, the coconut, the real coconut oil. Right thing, everything. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Chris Pastry Vlog, and leave a comment. Remember to touch up the thumbs up, touch the thumbs up button as soon as you start watching the video, guys. So all the onions and things cut already. I'm gonna put up the tomato. I got the sharp, you know, guys. Knife of the well sharp. Slice through them tomato here. Sharp like a guillotine. See that? I'm gonna stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna saute the onion, onion and the garlic together. Saute it. It have a build up a flavor, yeah? Build a flavor. Yes, guys, so saute the onion. Some of the onion will keep build a flavor, yeah? I don't know. When you saute it, when you saute this kind of thing, your ingredients, like your scallion, your thyme, your onion, and you saute them. To build a flavor of your food, you know. So learn that. If you want food to have taste, saute up your thing and get the taste from it. Also gonna use a little olive oil. Olive oil. Turn on the stove so it don't burn. Guys, food of eat, you know. You work hard. Eat up your food. You got the strength for your work, right? You have to do your thing. See that, guys? Cut up that thing. Yes, guys, we're gonna use green peas in it. Green peas in it. Cut these tomato. The outside. Push it down, roll. Okay. Here, guys. Just gonna add in the green peas. So, saute everything. Saute up everything, guys. Food have been nice, you know? Food have been nice. See here guys, cover up my pot. Steam. Don't put in the fish as the fish. See the fish here? Still I'm gonna cut it now. Cut in the fish. Alright, so the fish. Put it in this. We get 3 nice big fish. We call it tin mackerel. Tin fish. I'm gonna use 2 fish guys. Yes guys, welcome back to the video. I'm gonna add in the fish now. Polypa fish to eat. Yes guys. Stir and go and simmer. Simmer. Put some black pepper in it. Black pepper. Welcome back guys. Fish ready now. Fish ready now. Turn off the stove. Put it away from the fire. And cover it up. Get the place cleaned up back. Alright guys, sharing some of the food now. Sharing some of the fish and the rice. Rice already warm, fish served. So it's time to eat some of the food. It's very hot, you know. Can go. Can go. Not too much pepper. Not mild, but good. I love this. Please remember guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Chris Patreon Vlog. And stay tuned for more vlogging. Today I'll probably go on the road, I don't sure. Do some outdoor vlogging and thing, but just like, share and subscribe. Remember to like the video and to share the video and subscribe to the video guys. Might not much, but it is, I still make a video. Thank you guys.